Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate certain folders for Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this. Let's just wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Outlook and then make sure that you are signed into the account. If your Outlook looks like this, we want to go to the top left corner, click on Show Navigation Pane, which will allow us to then access favorites, the full email account. Your inbox is located on the left side. Within this, we can choose to have, let's just say, subfolders. Right click, create a brand new subfolder, and then we can start moving emails into that subfolder. All your draft emails are here. If you start an email but haven't finished the email, they will be in the draft section. Your sent items, everything that's been sent on email. Deleted items, everything that has been deleted. Junk email, notes, archive, another folder, conversation history, and here we can create new search folders if we ever needed to. That's all for another tutorial. And here we have, once we discard this, we have groups. Let's go back to email. If we needed to, let's just say, add an item or a folder to favorites, right click, add to favorites, and there we have it. If we want to, let's just say, change the color of a folder, right click, change color, change to, let's just say, lavender, and there we have it. The color for the archived folder has changed color. Let's just change done to light blue, and there we have it. The colors have changed. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.